Okay, check this out. I have this box of cards called Storyteller Tactics. Probably some of the nicest cards I've ever held. And they're really here just to help you come up with stories to be able to do presentations, sell your product, whatever it might be. So I got an idea. I wonder if PromptROI can see this card and then tell me about it. Tell me what it is and give me some more information about it. So I came into AI chat here on the left-hand side. I started a new chat. I went over here to GPT Vision and I uploaded this image right here. And I said, what is this? And here's what it came back with. Pretty crazy. I've actually got some wild ideas of how I'm going to use this with these cards. But anyway, it says this appears to be a card from a card game or a workshop activity designed to stimulate creative thinking or strategic planning. The card is titled The Dragon and the City and includes a prompt that encourages the player or participant to explain their project as if it's an epic adventure, aiming to get people excited about their plan of action. And that's what it is. And it goes on to tell about the card. And what's really amazing is that these cards, they all have things on the back, and it's like, go to this card and then go to that card. And so it's sort of like a choose your own adventure when it comes to storytelling. By the way, these things aren't cheap, but they are selling them right now. The whole entire pack. There's other stuff that comes with it, but I think it's half off and it's still $500. But imagine the collections that we're going to be able to create for you to help you tell the most amazing stories. Now, it's going to be hundreds of hours of work, but it's going to be worth it when it's done. So anyway, that's it for today. Happy Friday. Just wanted to show you how PromptROI's vision is working in real life here. And we're going to keep moving forward and pushing the limits. And I'm excited to see you post your stories of how you're using PromptROI here in the Facebook group. So that's it for now. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.